So hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today quick update is very important because Bitcoin just dumped and as many of you already saw in my group and here it is. We predict before that's the news on 14th October as BTC as expected and we tells you before and guided you as well and this will go down to 100k, 95k, 90k, 85k like these steps. So today is around 23rd of the November. Today quick update is very important because Bitcoin just dumped as many of you already saw in my group. I predict this move before it happened. In this video, I will break down kind of four segments. We have the very first one, the why this dump happened, and the second one is what BTC is likely to do next, and the third one is key level you must watch, and the fourth of and my exact outlook, what happened in the next 24 to 72 hours. So we have to jump into the very first section. As you know, we have the segment one in the name of the BTC dump and the breakdown. So let's get started without any cost of wasting our time. So what we saw today was the very fast liquidity sweep. BTC dropped sharply because the market was over leveraged, funding rates were extremely high, whales triggered a correction to liquidate in long positions. This is exactly what I warned about my group earlier. When too many traders go long without any proper support, a liquidity grab becomes inevitable. So obviously you can see on the chart price rejected from here. I have to open some new chart here. We have to open some new chart. Okay. As you can see, here it is. You can see on the chart price rejected the resistance perfectly and moved straight forward to the liquidity zone, which I previously marked. Here is the liquidity zone and I marked before it as well. So why I expected this move? So obviously no one expected that kind of dump and obviously even everyone even I did not expect that kind of move, but I have in some mind as well. Even I think BTC we can go from BTC can go here on 75k. That's now easily everyone will be predicted, but BTC is not predictable. That's it. A lot of you saw my messages I mentioned earlier, and BTC was showing weak momentum, bearish averages. Here it is. Here it is a weak momentum, as you can see here. It's all weak momentum, bearish averages, and a possible breakout failure. This type of setup almost always result in a corrective move or the dump. My analysis was based purely on a market structure and a whale behavior. So yes, this dump was not a surprise. It was expected, and the market is behaving exactly according to the levels we discussed before. Here we discuss the level of BTC. One, two, three, four. A lot of levels here. So I can see easily around 70k, 65k, that kind of dump. Still more dump to go. So we have another segment which we what happened next. So obviously dump is already gone, or might be possible there is a more dump coming to you. So now the important question is this just a correction, or will go BTC even go lower, or can BTC go up, or might be possible BTC needs a recovery as well. So here's a clear and simple outlook. Short-term outlook, BTC may consolidate in this lower range. Here it is, and we could see small bounce back from here from 80k. Now still BTC trading on the 85k as well, but volatility will remain still high. A possible chances that we can still see around 75k, 70k. First support at major support at the tail line. Here it is on 99k. You can fill the actual number based on the your live chart as we have here it is. So what I can show here is my clean forecast. If Bitcoin does not regain strength above the resistance zone, we can see another liquidity sweep, slow green down, or a fake out. That will be a fake out as well. So however, if BTC reclaims support and hold it for 4 hours, the market will can stabilize again like this. BTC holding a supporting area here as well, and if this big candle will be green, go up, and the next candle go green, then we can see a green recovery. If this candle go still remain red and another back to back, if we see green, then we can might be expected on the green supporting as well. So now it's time to closing the video. It might be there will be some lengthy video as well. So yes, that's it, the full update. The dump was expected. The market is going down, what it always does, and the next move will be depend on how price react to the key levels I just mentioned. Here is some key level of Bitcoin. Still, the next key level is of Bitcoin is 72k to 73 75k, and the next key level is that's one around 55k. If you want to these updates in real time, join my group because I always share my frequently updates and signals free of cost here in my group. That's my Telegram group. You can join it by tapping on the link. Link will be in description and comment section as well. You can go on Telegram and search this name. You will find our group as well. So that's it. As you can see, we have a previous free signal which we print around 1300 profit. Literally, if you invest $100 in this trade, you have around $1300 or something like that. If you want these kind of updates in real time, join my group because I always share my analysis before the next move happens, just like I did today. Thanks for the watching. Trade safely, manage your risk, and I will see you in the next update. Thank you very much.